Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to put my canvases away. First off, it's going to be all the 40 by 70s. There's only two diamond paintings that don't fit in here. It's the koi pond, and the dragon train. They're both too long. So, with the exception of those two, entry number 1, the witch. Entry number 2, the pink forest waterfall. Entry number 3, the green misty mountainscape. You're going to wait because you go the opposite direction. So you just wait. Okay. What is this? Entry number 4? I gotta stop saying that. Please, Robin. Get a hold of yourself. There's a hair up here. I think this is number 4. This feels the biggest. Yeah, so I'll put that at the bottom. The pink cascading castle. Open air castle. Okay. And another one here. That's my ship. Looking good. There is. I love it. Oh my god, I love that one. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if it's the right place for the size, but here it is. With nutcrackers. And we have this little village. Has some ABs in it. This was a nice soft canvas, like the house I have. This is big. Maybe that should go behind. So I don't know. Leave it where it is. I don't know. That should go on the bottom. It should go on the bottom. It should go on the bottom. Okay. We've got the saint that I just did. We've got a pink bubble deer. Looks like it's lit up. We have a puppy wump. And a Snoopy. I don't like this big one being in here. I'm worried about it. Hold up while I ponder that. I decided I'm going to leave this one out, and I'm going to look for some push pins, because I know I've got them around here somewhere. And isn't that how it is when you buy every single frickin' craft supply that you could think of? You can't find it when you need it. But I already had the push pins. I didn't buy new ones, because what am I using them for? Nothing. But I had them from when I had cork boards. I took the cork boards down. Anyhow, Yeah, they're around here somewhere. So probably in a drawer in the kitchen. So I'm gonna try to push this into paneling. So I'm gonna leave that out. And I'm gonna need something longer. I don't know if my large are gonna fit in the TV box or not. Hold up. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know. I should put it in here. Put it in here. You gotta put it in there. You can't do this because it... Wow, give me the bottom to that. Where's the bottom to that? We're gonna play this game and they're all gonna get messed up. They're all gonna get messed up. Stop playing this game. Just put them in there. No, I need the other one. I can get it. It won't mess me up. It won't. It won't. Leave it at. Leave it at. Leave it at. Okay. Leaving it at. This is the fun part that you tuned in for. Because it's always like this. I am fun to watch and laugh with. Not at. With. Because believe me, I think it's funny too. That was pretty good. That was pretty frickin' good. And there's 3 snaps. Boom, boom, boom. I should put that other one in here. I don't know. I don't think I should. I should have cardboard on the bottom. I'm not cutting that box up. I can cut another box up. This is not going to be done today. I'm not. This is the heavy stuff. It's fine to sit like this. I don't see a problem. I don't see a problem. Now, maybe all the undone ones that are the right size. Ooh. Okay. I put that painting in there anyway. So now, out of the undone ones, we have a dragon. And I'm going to put this in there too. That's a paint by number. I will know where it's at. Oh no, here's Uni. Uni, are you going in here? No, Uni's getting worked on. Uni is staying out. She's getting worked on and finished. That's what I'm doing next. Alright, she's out of the way. Heaven. And this. Mau Mau's. I don't know if it's square or not. I forget. Okay. Got a cottage house. Got Anubis. Anubis is tallest. Really? Yep, he's 75. That's why. Alright. Okay. No. It's bigger. Okay. Here's a ship. And here's a castle. Here's a butterfly elephant. Wow. Alright, I like this one a lot. But I did a green one, so I held up, and then you know how it goes. You keep getting the newer ones in. Where am I putting this? This is nice and like felt. I'm going to put this castle back here, nice and soft. I think it will be better. Oh, I really want to do that one. Like, there's some that I look at and I'm like, yeah, I could work on that right now. Well, there's so many. All right. In line of bigness, we've got maybe Pretty Kitty Mau Mau goes in there. No, she's not that tall. Another beach scene. It was from the same company as the one I enjoyed, but I just don't feel beachy right now. Okay. This stuff here, this is newer. Here comes the blue capsule, blue house, and a chicken coop. Alright. Whoops. They're going everywhere. This is going to be a big envelope. We got our dragon in here. Get that cat out of here. She's too short. And then we got the wolf. That is kind of smushed, but I still like it. This one is kind of smushed. Not caring for it. And then we got the sufferer. And now Kitty Mau Mau's? Yes, now Kitty Mau Mau's goes in. Mona Lisa. And then this nighttime one. How about no? That goes in first. Okay. And we've got a mermaid. Oh, yeah. I think this is a square right here. I think this is a square of puff flowers. And we got a blue house. It's going to be really, really blue. The same as this going to be really, really blue. Pretty Kitty Mau Mau. It's like a trippy Kitty Mau. That's trippy Kitty Mau Mau. And we got some wine. We've got our Nemo. That can go this way, but Nemo isn't on there. And we got this little kitty. It's going to be so pretty. Pretty kitty in the city. Pretty city kitty. Yeah. Okay. Here comes the fun, entertaining part. Ooh. Remove a whole lot more of that. Okay. Open it. I thought that would help. It did not. Okay. Get it in there. They're going. They're going. They're going. They're going. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. And they move in mysterious ways. Ah, inch by inch, they're moving. Something fell. Okay, this one isn't moving. So let's get with the program. Down there, Anubis. Yeah, no, we're not worrying about what sticks out over this part. Okay, that really worked. I really did that. Wow. That's almost all of them. Okay, so there's uni. Then we got, you know, this big mamma jamma. That's not fitting in there. There's another one of these I'm going to open if I have time to do it tonight, and then I'll just upload it after I do it tonight. I mean, it might be 4 videos in a day or so, but whatever. Then there's the line with all the farm animals. There's a big city, like in Italy or Greece. I'm not sure. I can't really make it out. I'll show you that. Hold up, and I'll show you that one. I'm sorry I didn't hit the pause button, but then I started thinking, well, just make it official that it's all my large canvases that I've shown you, you know? So there's the dragon train and the koi pond. The koi pond is, it's stiff because I have it sealed, not this one. So those two, you know what, maybe the dragon train would fit in one. It certainly looks like it. And maybe this would if I... No, it won't. It might if I cut it. Don't cut it! Okay, moving this. The last 2 big ones beside the unopened one that I have undone is all the farm animals. And this, I can't see it. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm not inspired to work on that at all. I really am not. I might as well not even own it because I'm ready to give it away. Alright. So now that's all done. And, well, that's it for you guys. But I still have to figure out what else I'm going to do as far as putting things where they go around here. Peace out, and God bless.